Let's talk about something we all do, every single day. We type. It's like breathing, right? You're tapping away on your phone. You're tapping away on your tablet. You're tapping away on your computer. It's how we connect. It's how we work. It's how we get things done. But have you ever really thought about how fast you're typing? Or more importantly, how accurate you are? I know, it sounds a little basic. For a busy manager, your typing speed is like a secret superpower. It's a hidden key performance indicator, a KPI, that can transform your work life. You wouldn't believe the difference it makes. Think about it. Your fingers are basically your voice in the digital world. You use them to write those important emails. You use them to create schedules that keep your team on track. You use them to take notes in meetings that everyone will depend on later. So, what is a good typing speed anyway? Most professionals aim for around 50 to 60 words per minute. And accuracy? Aim for about 95% or higher. It's not just about being fast. It's about being fast and right. It's a real game changer. Now you might be thinking, Kelly, I have a million things to do. Why should I care about my WPM? I get it. But imagine getting through your inbox in half the time. Imagine having extra hours in your week. That's the payoff. Faster typing doesn't just mean you finish your tasks quicker. It means more time for the big stuff. More time to think. More time to plan. More time to lead your team. It gives you incredible freedom. Work smarter, not harder. This isn't just a nice to have. It's fundamental to efficiency today. Everything is written down. Every conversation, every plan, every single transaction leaves a digital trail, and you, the manager, create much of that trail. Slow or clumsy typing creates bottlenecks that slow everyone down. It's like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. You'll get there eventually, but it'll be a struggle. You'll wish you had better gear. Your typing skill is your gear. Okay, let's get specific. How does typing fast actually help a manager? Let's start with your email inbox. Oh, the inbox. It can feel like a monster that never stops growing. By the end of the day, you've reclaimed a significant chunk of time for more important strategic work. And finally, let's talk about client trust. It's a huge deal. When a client reaches out and you respond quickly, it sends a powerful message. It says, "You are a priority. I am on top of this." Fast, professional, well-written response builds confidence. It makes your business look efficient and reliable. On the flip side, a slow response can make a client feel ignored or unimportant. Your typing speed is directly connected to your response time. Your response time is directly connected to how your clients see you. It's that simple. Speed is fabulous, but let's talk about its equally important best friend, accuracy. Because typing super fast with a ton of mistakes is, honestly, worse than being slow. It's like running a race and tripping right before the finish. Those little typos can have big consequences. Think about the financial side of your job. You might be working on a budget. You might be working on an invoice. You might be working on a billing claim. One wrong number, a misplaced decimal point, or an extra zero can turn a simple task into a massive, costly headache. It can lead to billing disputes. It can lead to financial losses. It's not just about money. Accuracy protects you from legal risks. Imagine you're typing up a contract. Imagine you're typing up a formal agreement. A simple typo in a name, a simple typo in a date, a simple typo in a key term could void the document or create a serious misunderstanding. That's a scary thought. Precision in your writing shows you are careful and professional. It protects your company's reputation. It keeps everything legally sound. Taking an extra moment to proofread is always worth it. It's your best defense against preventable problems. Mistakes also erode trust. If you consistently send emails with typos, if you consistently send emails with grammatical errors, it can make you look careless or unprofessional. Your colleagues might doubt your attention to detail. Your clients might wonder if that lack of care extends elsewhere. It's all about perception. Clean, accurate writing shows respect for the person you're communicating with. It reinforces your image as a competent, reliable leader who cares about details. And let's be practical. Errors just create more work for you. When you send a report with mistakes, what happens? Someone has to point it out. Then you have to go back, find the error, correct it, send it all over again. It's a total time waster. This cycle of rework is exhausting and inefficient. By focusing on accuracy from the start, you save yourself future headaches. Getting it right the first time is the ultimate productivity hack. It frees you up to move on to the next thing on your endless to-do list. So we've covered emails and notes, but where else does this secret skill come in handy? Let's talk about data entry. I know, it sounds so boring. But so many managers have to do it. Updating client information in a CRM system. Entering sales figures into a spreadsheet. Logging project updates. This can be tedious, mind-numbing work. But when you can type quickly and accurately, you can power through it. You turn a task that could take an hour into a 15-minute job. That's a huge win for your day and your sanity. Another key area is creating reports and presentations. As a manager, you're constantly summarizing information for your team, your boss, or your clients. Pull together data. Write up your analysis. Present it in a clear, compelling way. The faster you can type, the faster you can get your thoughts down on the page. You can move from a blank screen to a finished draft in record time. This gives you more time to focus on the content itself, the story you're telling with your data, instead of getting bogged down by the mechanics of typing. Think about real-time collaboration. So much of our work now happens in shared documents, like Google Docs collaborative whiteboards. Your team might be brainstorming ideas, editing a proposal together. If you can type quickly, you can contribute your ideas instantly. You can keep up with the flow of conversation and add your input without missing a beat. It makes you a more active and valuable participant in those virtual sessions. You're not just watching, you're helping to build and shape the work as it happens. And what about customer support? Even if you're not on the front lines, you might have to jump into a live chat to help a client or answer a question on social media. In these situations, speed is everything. A customer is waiting for your answer right now. Being able to type a quick, accurate, and helpful response can turn a potentially negative experience into a positive one. It shows that your company is responsive and cares about its customers. Fast fingers can literally save the day and protect your brand's reputation. Okay, so you want to get faster. The good news is, you don't have to do it all on your own. Your computer is full of little tricks that can help you fly across the keyboard. I'm talking about keyboard shortcuts, like using Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste learning. Just a few of these for the programs you use most can save you so much time. It eliminates all that clicking and dragging with the mouse. It might feel weird at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Beyond a few basic shortcuts, most modern software is designed to help you work faster. Think about autocorrect and predictive text. These tools can fix common typos. They can even suggest the next word you want to use. You can also create your own text snippets, or macros. For example, if you find yourself typing the same long phrase over and over, you can create a shortcut. You could type EML1 and have it automatically expand to your full email signature. It's like magic. Technology has also given us amazing tools specifically designed to improve our typing skills. You don't have to go to a stuffy typing class anymore. There are apps that make practice fun and engaging, and websites that do the same. They can turn learning into a game, which is fantastic. These tools are great because they give you instant feedback. They show you your words per minute and your accuracy rate right away. This helps you see where you're making mistakes and what you need to work on. It's like having a personal typing coach right on your screen. This is where a tool like the Typest app comes in. It's designed to do exactly this. It's a typing tutor that helps you learn touch typing from the very beginning. That means typing without looking at the keyboard. The app has structured lessons that start with individual letters and build up to full words and sentences. It helps you develop that all-important muscle memory. It's available for free on Mac and Android. It's one of those simple, effective tools that can make a huge difference in your daily workflow. All right, are you ready to become a keyboard ninja? It's easier than you think. The number one rule is practice, practice, practice. But it has to be the right kind of practice. The goal is to learn touch typing, which is the secret to real speed. Train your fingers to know where all the keys are without looking down. It takes a little time to build muscle memory, but once you have it for life. It changes how you work with the keyboard. Set aside a little time each day. You don't need hours. Even just 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice can make a huge impact. Use a typing tutor app like Typest. Start with the basics. Focus on your form. Focus on accuracy. Don't worry about speed at first. Speed comes once your fingers know where to go. Better to type slowly and correctly than to rush and build bad habits. Be patient with yourself. As you get comfortable, start to challenge yourself. Try typing tests to measure progress. 10 fast fingers. Tests inside the Typest app. Seeing your WPM go up is motivating. It shows your hard work is paying off. Set small, achievable goals. Maybe aim for +5 WPM each week. Track progress. Make it a fun challenge. Bring your skills into real work. Pay attention to posture. Sit up straight. Keep wrists neutral to avoid strain. Use all your fingers, not just your 2 index fingers. Don't be the chicken pecker. Apply good technique during the day. It becomes second nature. Soon you won't think about it. Your fingers will fly across the keys, and you'll get more done than ever before. So, what have we learned? Your typing speed isn't just a silly number. It's a real, measurable skill that directly impacts your success as a manager. It's the key to unlocking a more efficient, productive, and a less stressful workday. When you can type quickly, you can communicate faster, document better, and manage your time more effectively. You stay on top of your tasks instead of feeling like you're always trying to catch up. It's a small change that can lead to a huge transformation in your professional life. And who doesn't want that? We also saw that speed is only half the battle. Accuracy is just as crucial. Taking the time to be precise saves you from costly financial mistakes, potential legal issues, and the simple, frustrating work of fixing errors. It builds trust with your team and your clients. It shows that you are a detail-oriented professional who takes pride in everything you do. The combination of speed and accuracy is what makes you a true keyboard powerhouse, able to handle any communication task with confidence and ease. It's your secret weapon for success. The path to improvement is clear and totally achievable. It all comes down to consistent, focused practice. You need to build that muscle memory through touch typing. You can do this by setting aside a small amount of time each day and using smart tools to guide you, learning a few keyboard shortcuts, and tracking your progress. It's an investment in yourself that will pay dividends for years to come, in every role you ever have. Plus, it's a pretty cool skill to have. So, what are you waiting for? Your journey to becoming a faster, more accurate typist can start right now. The best way to begin is with a tool that makes it easy. I highly recommend giving the Typest app a try. It's user-friendly, it's effective, and it's free. You have nothing to lose and so much time to gain. Download Typest from the App Store or Google Play today. Take control of your keyboard, boost your productivity, and give yourself more time to be the amazing leader you are. Go on, give it a try.